Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Please like and subscribe my channel. Today I have come up with duplex paper flowers. Things needed: yellow color duplex paper, green color handmade paper, floral wire, green floral tape, GI wire, thread, cotton, scissors, plier. To start, take duplex paper and cut it to 4 cm by 4 cm. Cut the floral wire to 3 to 4 inches long and fold it a bit at the end. Take little cotton and make a small ball and place it on the tip. Wrap the duplex paper on cotton and tie it with thread. Now wrap the floral tape on the flower wire neatly as shown. Cut the green paper in a leaf shape. Take the floral wire and wrap it with floral tape. Now attach this floral wire to leaf with green tape. Take GI wire and start attaching the flowers like this. Finally, attach the leaves as shown. Now our beautiful flowers are ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.